Are your sentences a bit wobbly? Do they sound like a robot talking? I like cats. I like dogs. I don't like spiders. It's a bit choppy, right? Well, today, you become a master sentence builder. Your secret tool? Special words called conjunctions. Think of them as extra strength word glue. This glue helps you stick ideas together to build bigger, better sentences. Let's look at your toolkit. You have and. It's like a plus sign for adding similar ideas. I like apples and bananas. You have but. This one shows a change or something unexpected. I want to play outside, but it's raining. Then there's or, which gives you a choice. Do you want milk or juice? And finally, the power duo, because and so. Because tells you why something happened. I'm wearing a coat because it's cold. So tells you the result or what happened next. It was cold, so I wore a coat. See? Same story, told two ways. Now let's fix those choppy sentences from before. Instead of, I like cats, I like dogs, I don't like spiders. Spiders are scary. You can build this. I like cats and dogs, but I don't like spiders because they are scary. It just flows better, like a smooth stream. One quick warning, Master Builder. Don't use too much glue. A sentence like, I went to the park and I saw a bird, and it was blue, and I went home, is a messy run-on sentence. A little glue goes a long way. So here's your mission. Start listening for that word glue everywhere, in your books, on TV, in conversations. Every time you hear an and, but, or because, you've spotted the secret to building amazing sentences.